Hello, artists. Are you ready for day 8, Monster 8? This fellow is all tentacles, so I'll name him Octoboy. I love his toothy grin. As usual, he starts out as circles and curves. Next comes tentacle arms, back fins, and eyes. Clean up some of those extra pencil lines that show through, and then add some suction cups and teeth. Color outlining starts here with a brown metallic marker. Using the side of your colored pencil, we're going to create a light red colored body on this guy. Add a bit of cartoon form by shading with darker red in lots of different places. Create some contrast with your black marker. And there you have him, Octoboy. Finish up the color details around the suction cups, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. Damon Reinigal on YouTube.